Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and we had a long travel day today, so there wasn't any updates this morning. Unpacking or packing, loading up truck, driving, unloading truck that is just completed. But you can see the Bitcoin price. We're just going to give you some price updates real quick before I eat. You can see we're still sitting on this $19,310, and as long as you can hold that, you could try to maybe make another run up into here, this old resistance area at 22,000 to possibly 24,969.69. But what's more likely to happen is you come down to the next level, and this is what I'm watching closely to see if you come down and retest the 16,598.54, right? That's your major support, because if you break that, you're more than likely over the next several weeks, if you were to break this key level, to come down to this $13,336 price that was made last year when the price was at 63,000 and rising. So we were calling for a $50,000 Bitcoin price decline, right? And that's what we're looking at right now. The key level to watch is, can you continue to hold this top part of this major blue support zone at 19,300? If we're looking at Ethereum, you can see you got harshly rejected up here like we were talking about over the last several days. We came down to this green fib circle that was your next underneath support, because there was a whole bunch of support back here. See this if you look left on the chart, and that's how you do technical analysis. It held it as support there, and now when we're coming over to here, you can see it's breaching that right now. If you can get some buyers to come back, and if you want to try to stay bullish or not bearish, like extremely bearish, you got to get back over this green fib circle up there at $1,507.58. If you continue to fall, you're most likely to come somewhere into this blue support trading range, which the lower end of it is $1,117.29. And if you start to break that, you're coming down here to your next major area of support is the next green fib circle at $747.23. If we look at XRP, look what XRP had a nice pump today. You can see it hit that major area again. We got near it at the red support zone, pumped, rejected by 37 cents. Red support zone, pumped, rejected by the moving average. Red support zone, pumped to 37 cents again, got rejected. Red support zone, buyers are there, but it's likely with no volume, you can see it's still trending down, that this is just like back here. It sold off. It sold off. It's likely that this 37-cent range is going to force it back down again, and the next major move is going to be down here to 32 cents. But eventually, if it keeps doing that, one of these times it's going to leak through, come down to 29 cents, and then it's going to eventually come all the way down to the next support zone, which is the orange trading area, right, at 26 cents. So that's what we're watching out for this weekend. You're at critical upper resistance. Well, the 37 cents is up here. Then you have a descending line right here that you've been getting rejected off of. And that is where you're currently probably more than likely going to get rejected again in the short term in the XRP. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll have a lot of updates coming this evening as I unpack and get settled in. Peace and love to you. Yes, you, the beautiful audience.